ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Rangba ke Sarkar Jilla ukon rak ke sangma haka arpulai trik lalingkat arja arpu sau lapli patba yak Wahïajer Multi Sports Complex haka shnang Wahïajer West China Hills District yak belateli mak State Plan Scheme and Sports Authority of India Hello India Infrastructure Scheme. Haka digisngi la sakhilang deki arngut ki sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jilla bekin thop uba Preston Tin Song berubah snaw bahalang dahar bedairu UMLA ke than ki Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla bekin thop ya ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo ubak Kermen Shilla ki MLA bet MDC ke Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council u Commissioner and Secretary ke Itynnat Sports and Youth Affairs u Dr. DVJ Kumar bat QA.
I also would like to thank our former sports minister, Wahïajer, who was responsible for actually sanctioning this project. Let's give a big hand to Wahïajer also. And with that, I declare this stadium as inaugurated. Of the inauguration of the Wahïajer Multi Sports Complex. I remember many years back, I had come here and landed in a helicopter on the old field. At that time, I was with Master Meghalaya in the chopper. And while we were landing, he pointed to this area and he told me that it is my dream to see a nice stadium being constructed out here for the people of my constituency and in general for the people of Jaintia Hills. And it gives me a great sense of satisfaction today that one vision and a dream that Master Meghalaya had on that day when we landed in the chopper has today converted into a reality. And for this to happen, many people have worked very hard. So at the very outset, I would like to thank Master Meghalaya, whose vision, whose hard work and consistent effort has made this day possible. Ladies and gentlemen, he deserves a round of applause for all the hard work that he has done. If this stadium is here today, it is because of his vision and his leadership. The Meghalaya Games in Tura, and as you are all aware, the next edition of the Games will be here in Jaintia Hills. It is a great moment of happiness for us, and I'm sure it is a great moment of happiness and excitement for all the citizens here in Jaintia Hills today. But remember, this responsibility comes with its challenges. We will need the support of all the people, of all the leaders, the communities, the institutes to make the Games a success. Friends, when we host the Games, different infrastructures will be created. We will be ensuring that the places where the students and where the athletes stay will be in schools, colleges, different communities, and infrastructures will be built for them, which will then be passed on to those institutes so that they can use that for their future purpose. And hence, it's a very exciting moment. We are very happy that the Games will be held next year in January in Jaintia Hills, and we will be working from now on itself to ensure that these Games will be one of the biggest that the state has seen, and adequate infrastructure will be created, and hospitality like never before will also be given to our athletes. Recently, our athletes who have won medals in our state Games will also be felicitated very soon in Shillong. All the medal winners will be called to Shillong and given a felicitation from the sports minister and from my side. At the same time, you are all aware last Olympics, which was the last Northeast Olympics, which was held, were given scholarships from our side. That will also continue, and all the medal winners will get financial assistance from the government so that they are able to continue their passion and invest in the sports that they like. Friends, at the end, I would also like to mention that we are intending to now intensify the activities for our youth. Apart from the different competitions that we have for entrepreneurship and business plan, different competitions we have for sports, different competitions that we have for music, we will be now starting to have competitions at a more detailed and micro level for sports as well as for music again, because we feel that there is a huge talent in music and our youth are not getting opportunity in music scene. And hence competitions will be held for music also. At the same time, we have also realized, and we are now firm, that not only sports and music, we would want to encourage our youth by having competitions in science. Districts will be asked to have innovation competitions, science competitions, and different competitions to promote and to motivate our youth to take interest in science and innovation. We will have competitions in mathematics so that our children will start to take interest in not just sports and music, but science and mathematics also. We will like our youth to start becoming enterprising from a young age, and hence the different chief ministers' entrepreneurship competition programs will also be brought down more micro at the district level. So my friends, so on and so forth, you will see much more activities now that will take place to engage our youth, to give opportunity to our youth, to ensure that our youth go in the right direction so that you do constructive things. And therefore, these different programs will be organized. I am also happy to inform you that the Honorable Sports Minister is very keen to take sports to new heights for our state, and he has a target to ensure that Meghalaya becomes #1 in sports in the Northeast and East. I can assure him and assure the people of the state that we will be 100% behind this target. We will support the infrastructure creation. We will support the associations. We will support the athletes. We will provide infrastructure. We will provide games like these so that our youth are able to excel in the sports. We were just discussing that we are very keen and we are making the necessary plans to have a football tournament very soon, which will be an inter-constituency tournament. All 60 constituencies will compete and contest. And we would want the constituencies to have players only from their constituency and no hiring will be allowed. This will allow different regions to compete, different constituency players to go to different parts of the state and see the other parts and other constituencies, compete against each other, learn from each other, and more importantly, bring harmony, peace, and unity among the people of our state. So friends, with these few words, I once again congratulate our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Master Wahïajer, and the entire department for the kind of work that has been done today. This infrastructure is world class. World class, and today the people of Natyam constituency and of J.T. Hills should feel proud that such an infrastructure has come up in J.T. Hills. Maybe this is one of the best infrastructures that we have in the state. I congratulate our Honorable Minister, I congratulate our Deputy Chief Minister, and I congratulate each and every one of you on this particular day. I wish both the teams that are playing today the very best. I'm sure after 70 teams have been playing, this is the finals now. I wish all the players the teams the very best. May the best team win. With these few words, I once again wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya.
Ang pagpapalpaw yung ipetya kitang isin di Otao. Ako ay pagkuhay ka sunod. Ako ay pagkuhay ka konstituency. Ako ay pagkuhay ka district. Iyo iya kening turut karboy kapar. Aki kontak di waker parokoy. Kontak di wakor. Anak suruh kita nasi kunet bagi bentalan hak dari rezeki. Kaki bok kiri yang dari konstituensi parokoy patung ju. Ya kawes jantia is jadi korokoi pakai don kan dengan infrastruktur kanlong kecing koi nanti semat ya pun sama kentai basinan kami nanti semat siapang agede transport pakai tinggal kai kecuali iwe kami dari kecil bagian naik kode siapa
cisin sosdan the players continue to have the tournaments and we have Katras Nepal and we have Nepal in Bahrain. So this tournament has been there for the last 12 years almost. It's once in the year. And we allow that the people and the players who will be able to play only people from my country. And at the same time, who play in Sri Lanka, we will allow them. Because we really want to promote the people from this area, from my country. And we come around 70 plus medal teams, and the total player football here is around 1,830 players. So I really congratulate to all of them. So I know it's not possible for you to come to final all 70 people. Whoever wins today is the winning is ours. So thank you, Kula Chico. This is the back Wahïajer. Some point in the Itynnat district, Itynnat district man, Itynnat the state of Meghalaya. Me can make the sport minister of and when you are minister of Rangro care, me will minister come the sport department is really moving ahead. But you must care. You can who is someone from the unity there, how is he going the sport department? Come down you guys don't have to be true because minister, you're doing sport. Construction state will one of the best state in sport in terms of sport facilities in the whole country in the days to come. Let me get who plays Chicago.
Entah yang apa milis di blok level, dia dapat menilai ini stadium di blok level. Jika pun kita direkam, kita ikut sama di sini direkam dengan jelas, apa ini direkam sports. Ini pesan bagi sanksian kita ditolong mempunyai ibu ini pesan mengenai kurang baru kita diambil juri. Orang nak bertanya dari semua juri yang boleh dan juri kesertar. Mereka bertanya dari bahasa juri pipa, mereka bertanya dari bahasa juri kurang sama dengan jelas.